Hello friends, let us understand what are the problems with the standard costing. First, you know that the employees may try to set low standards in order to make them easier to achieve. Many people who, if they don't want to achieve something greater in life, they try to set their goals quite short, which are they try to set their goals quite short. You know, that's why I've seen whenever I went to costing audit of many companies, I've seen that the employees try to set their target quite low. By setting this target low, then it becomes very easy to achieve that target. So that's not good sign. Second is that using that historical data to set standards may build in past inefficiencies. So basically you have to use that historical data, and you have to set that standards that may be used for building the efficiencies. Third thing is that the managers might focus on the number of exclusion than the other important factors. So managers when the standard costing procedure is used and they decide that we have to make the production of pen, for example, at 10 rupees per quantity, then it becomes really very tough for the managers to meet that standard level, and they don't see that what to do. Now they deprive the quality of that pen, and they try to help manage the same they try to make the pen in 10 rupees only. They don't look at the other important factors which are actually very initial, are very essential in in the product. So this is the third factor. Fourth factor is nothing but that the focus on the unfavorable variances that may result in ignoring favorable variances. So I've told that there are some favorable variances and there are some unfavorable variances. Now favorable variances is basically dealing with the direct costing, and favorable variances means which will actually lead to you to achieve the standard costing, and unfavorable means the something which is leading you away from the standard costing technique. So I think the managers should focus on how the favorable variances can be met. Managers may lose sight of the bigger picture. So when the managers or the CEO of the company or the MD of the company is looking at just cost sheet and telling his production manager to reduce the cost, the quality of the product declines, because they may lose the bigger picture. The bigger picture is that the product should be influential and there should be increase in the sales. So I think the product is much good if people appreciate your product and people start buying your product more and more number of times. That may actually lead you to gain that may actually lead and inspire the managers actually to work with it and produce the better standard costing results. So people should make good use of the standard costing methods, and they should avoid these problems which are created due to standard costing techniques. We'll In the next slide we will look the comparison of the cost systems. Basically, what is the difference between the actual cost system versus the normal versus the standard cost system in the upcoming slide. Thank you.